Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your FedEx Company Store account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in bdasites.com/FedEx Company Store and then press enter. You will now be taken into the official FedEx Company Store website. Now just choose your currency first and then you will see the types of login that you can access. Choose your appropriate kind of login. And now you will see the login button at the top right corner. Just click on this and you will be asked to enter your credentials. Just type in the email address that you have used while signing up for your account within the email address box and then enter your account password underneath within the password section. You can then click on the sign in button and you will be logged in to your FedEx Company Store account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, click on the forgot your password option and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your FedEx Company Store account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.